schoolwork, that's all.
Okay, this Vaishnavi, we have one Vaishnavi already, so this is one more Vaishnavi who is for the first time. Hi Vaishnavi. So can you please tell something about yourself, Vaishnavi? And we are going to start with the numericals, yes, but I thought let me just know the new people.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Vaishnavi. I'm in ninth grade. I just wanted to study chemistry more, so I joined here.
Okay, you want to study chemistry more. Already जो है कम है क्या? Okay, never mind. And great. Thank you so much and welcome. Okay, Garima, can you just introduce yourself? I'm seeing you for the first time, beta. Garima.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Garima. Can you introduce yourself? And also, please mention which school, which city. Okay, so I know that it's a clear thing. Yeah.
Ma'am, myself, Mehak Jalori.
Okay, you're Mahek. Okay, that's about.
It's my mom. Yeah, it's my mom's email ID.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, and you're which city, beta? And you're
And
which standard?
I'm from and I'm from Amravati.
Okay.
And I'm in ninth grade.
And who introduced you to the class?
Ma'am, I got this link in a group.
Okay, okay, got it.
Hello.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, can you hear me? Hello. Huh. Okay, and there is one more person, Sanjana. Sanjana, have you been here for a while?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you here for a while, Sanjana?
No, ma'am.
Is this your first time?
No, ma'am. Not at all.
Okay, you are here for some time. Okay, okay, wonderful. All right. So Shabduli, you are in which grade? You are in ninth grade, na Shabduli? Hello, Shabduli. Are you in grade 9? इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई?
Yes, Miss, she's in ninth standard in my school.
अच्छा, your school only. Okay, okay, yeah. She
Yes,
shifted to.
Miss, she's in state division.
Yeah, she's in Pune. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Okay, so I think we have introduced all of these people. So those who are in the ninth standard, can you please put in the chat? I mean, just put your standard. I want to know how many of you are from the seventh and eighth as well. Vikshita ninth, Palak ninth. Okay. Okay. Who else? All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay. Keep sending. Keep sending. Keep sending. Keep sending. Amaya is in the seventh. Yeah. Who else? Isha. So I'm just saying how relevant it is for everybody, huh? It is actually, I mean, I'm not going to make it relevant. It's ninth standard. They have their exam. They have requested. So I'm doing this topic. So we move on with the numericals based on Avogadro's number. So if you remember, so guys, type BIO. BIO means bring it on. That indicates you are completely all set and prepared to learn the numericals. Somebody dropped out. Aryan, you are in which standard, beta? Aryan is also in the ninth.
Ma'am, ninth standard.
Yes. Okay. All right. So let's start this. So what we are doing is we are just going to revise what we did last time. We did something. Now this is going to be a very intense class. This is the third session. Already I have created the background of what is mole concept, and we have seen that what is a mole. Okay, mole is the, when you have the molecular weight of any substance and you take those many grams of that substance, that is 1 mole. So if you want to find mole of anything, step 1 is you should know the correct formula. Step 2 is you should be able to find the molecular weight by substituting the atomic weights. Step 3 is put grams. That's it. Correct formula, molecular weight, and put that molecular weight, it's not molar weight. Let me give you the difference between molecular weight and molar weight. Molecular weight is the weight of the molecule. and it is actually in a very, very tiny unit called as unified mass. It's a different unit altogether because you cannot weigh a molecule using a weighing scale. Moment you write grams with molecular weight, it becomes molar weight. Okay, with me guys, are you getting this much? Yeah? Okay, put on the chat so that I know, keep interacting with me in the chat so I know that you're with me. Okay, fine. So molar weight and molecular weight is clear. So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm supposed to share the whiteboard. Is this a whiteboard? I'm not able to see the white. Okay, yeah, it's behind.
Yes.
It's behind. Okay, fine. So this is the first thing we did. The second thing we did is, what is Avogadro's number? So we realized that, we saw that Avogadro is a scientist. He, by some direct and actually some indirect experimentation, he came to the fact that if you take molar weight of any substance, it contains fixed number of particles. I repeat, if you take molar weight of any substance, it contains fixed number of particles. उसका मतलब क्या है? Molar weight of water is 18 grams. So if I take 18 grams of water, it's going to contain Avogadro's number of water molecules. Avogadro's number are 3 different numbers given in different books. So any one is okay. You use the number given in your book because approximately it is the same. It's a very large number. Suppose I'm talking about 10 crore rupees. So if I say 10 crore and 5,000, is it going to make difference from 10 crore and 10 crore 5,000? Is it going to make any difference? Please the answer in the chat. Guys, just give me a moment. I'll just come back. Yeah, put in the chat. I'm going to want to see the chat. Okay. Yeah. How did you find the board? Interesting background, no? Nobody complimented me for the interesting background today. Yeah. But did you get that? So big. Got it? Exactly. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, similarly, Avogadro's number is 6 into 10 raised to 23. That is huge number. 6 के आगे 23 zeros. What is a crore? 6 के आगे 7 zeros. 6 के आगे 7 zeros is a crore. Am I right, Ameya? 6 के आगे 5 zeros will be lakhs, 6 lakhs. 6 के आगे 6 zeros will be 60 lakhs or 6 million. Right? 6 के आगे 9 zeros will be billion. 6 के आगे 12 zeros will be a trillion and whatever. I'm just making numbers. मतलब we cannot even count. इतने बड़े number में, you know, थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे decimal point का कोई मतलब नहीं है. That's why I'm telling you. 6 into 10 raised to 23 या 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 or 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 means a large number. So the three different digits that you can see, you can use a number given in your book. Are you getting me? If it is clear, please type super clear. So Avogadro's, I repeat, Avogadro's numbers are indicated by 3 different numbers and they're slightly different. 6 into 10 raised to 23 or 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 or 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Doesn't make a difference as long as 6 hai or 10 raised to 23 hai. These are significant numbers for this particular Avogadro's number. Am I clear to you guys? Am I clear to everybody else apart from Nikita, Palak and Ameya? You have to write there. How will I know that? Dikshita, Mansi, yes. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Aryan. Thank you. I would want you to put on the chat because I'm continuously seeing the chat. And this is a document I can always refer. Thank you, Shabduli, for your reply. Vaishnavi, thank you so much. Okay, so the point I'm making here is that Avogadro's number के बारे में हमने क्या देखा था? We realized that Avogadro could come up with a law that if you take molecular weight of any substance, take that many grams, it will have Avogadro's number of particles. What is Avogadro's number of particles? 6 into 10 raised to 23 particles. Last class, we spent a lot of time in understanding what are these particles. Are they atoms or molecules? So I told you if it is a compound, then it is made up of molecules. Example, water is a compound. So it is going to be Avogadro's number of water molecules. Sodium, if I take sodium atom, only sodium atom. The sodium atom is actually an element which is in atomic state. So sodium, anything that is an element, please go on mute. Anything that is an element will be made up of atoms. Please write it somewhere. Yeah, if you can put on the chat also. So a substance which is a compound, it is made up of Avogadro's number of, so please write this, Listen to me, I'm dictating it to you. Molar weight of a compound, write down. Molar weight of a compound contains Avogadro's number of molecules. Molar weight of a compound contains Avogadro's number of molecules. You can write AN. AN means Avogadro's number. I repeat, molar weight of a compound, underline compound, contains Avogadro's number of molecules, underline molecules. Perfect. Then we will talk about elements. Okay, so please write down molar weight of an element. Molar weight of an element, underline element, contains Avogadro's number of atoms. I will give you an example also. Avogadro's number of atoms. Write down example. Okay, 18 gram of water. 18 gram of water contains 18 gram of water contains Avogadro's number of water molecules, because water is a compound, contains Avogadro's number of water molecules. Okay. Then write down 23 grams of sodium. Sodium is just an element. So 23 grams, and sodium ka atomic weight is 23. So since the formula of sodium is only Na, we are going to talk about 23 grams of sodium contains Avogadro's number of sodium atoms. Avogadro's number of sodium atoms. Okay, wonderful. So what we did last time is we gave some number, right, to these what you can say terms. Okay, so we're going to write that here because it's critical that we know what represents what. So guys, yeah, so text. Let us first again put that here. So what is small n? Please type to put in the chat. What is small n stands for? Small n stands for number of moles. Okay. Then small m stands for mass, or you can say given mass. Whatever is given to you, given mass of a substance. Hi Param, can you please introduce yourself? Can you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, can you please introduce yourself, beta? Huh.
Eight.
Louder, I'm not able to hear you. Okay. Capital M is molar weight of the substance. Then capital N. Okay. Capital N is the Avogadro's number. Now we are going to put all this together, coming to a very important part. Avogadro's number. And N dash. So I don't know how to put a dash there up. Oh, I can put a dash up here. Of course, I can put a dash. N dash. N dash is given number of molecules. I'll explain to you what does it mean. Just right now, first write it down. ना ये देखो मत मैं लिख रही हूँ. आपको लिखना है. I'm going to explain this to you. I'm not writing molecules. I'm going to write particles. Particles mean atoms as well as ions depending upon what have you taken. Okay. I'm just removing the E so that you know. Okay. Fine. So these are the terms that you should know, and now I'm going to develop on this. Okay, so please be with me. Please be with me. Okay, and I'm sure right now I'm not going to do a lot of spoon feeding and explanation because we're already doing this session for last 2 days. Another thing is, even if you have not attended that, you're in the ninth. All of you are in the ninth standard. So I know that you must have done some amount of understanding on this. So N is a number of moles. M is a given mass. What do you mean by given mass? Suppose I say I have 5 gram of sodium chloride, I have 7 gram of water, I have got 13 grams of calcium carbonate. Matlab, I can have any amount of any substance. Okay, that is small m. But capital M is molar weight. Molar weight means what? You take the molecular formula and put the atomic weights and find the molar weight. Now you know that molecular formula is unique. You cannot change the molecular formula. If you cannot change the molecular formula, you cannot change the molecular weight. So molecular weight is something which is permanent. Molecular weight is something which is universal. Molecular weight is something which never changes. So we call it as a standard. It is a standard. Got it? Like Earth, radius of Earth will never change. Radius of moon will never. These are universal constants. So molar weight of a substance is a universal constant for that substance. Avogadro's number of particles is also a universal constant. Universal constant because you can change whatever, but Avogadro's number will be always fixed. Okay, and it is like this from so many years. So it's a universal constant. Now, what is given number of particles? Depending upon how much of that substance I take, the number of particles will differ. Do you agree with me? Thank you, Amir. Do you agree with me? अगर मैंने 2 ग्राम सोडियम क्लोराइड लिया, 5 ग्राम सोडियम क्लोराइड लिया, 10 ग्राम सोडियम क्लोराइड लिया, उसके पार्टिकल्स चेंज होंगे, राइट? बट उसका मॉलिक्यूलर वेट चेंज नहीं होगा because as long as it is sodium chloride, the molecular weight is going to be 58.5 grams. Okay, so I'm going to mark here 2 things are fundamental, okay, and they will never change. That is this. So this is a universal constant and this is a universal constant. All other things will keep on changing. Number of moles will change depending upon the substance taken. Mass will change depending upon how much mass we take. Given particles will also change depending on how much you will take. Now I'm coming to a very, very important part. Please be with me. This is a critical part that I'm going to do. Just 5 minutes, if you pay attention, things will be much easy. Okay. So first formula, what did we do? We know that small n equals to small m. How do I put upon? Okay. I'm going to do something crazy. Capital M. Okay, and I'm going to draw a line here. The formula. Okay. Small m is equal to small m upon small n. Okay. Now I go to, now I'll not be able to do the text. Okay. Then next formula. Okay, this is formula number 1. Formula number 2 that I'm writing. Pay attention now. Pay attention. अब मुझे बताइए, मैं आपको उसके पहले कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछती हूँ. Tell me 1 mole of any substance has how many particles? I've done that last time. I did not revise it. Put it in the chat. One mole of any substance contains how many particles? Is my question. One mole of water. 1 mole. Yes, very good, Amaya. 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro's number of particles. So let us say if I tell you I have 6, and we are not going to 6.022 for now. If I have 6 into 10 raised to 23 particles, how many moles I have? If I have 6 into 10 raised to 23 particles, how many moles I have? Only Amey and Nikita are answering. What about Isha? What about Palak? What about Garima? Garima Sharwari, na? Naam hai aapka? Garima, I didn't forgot your name. I'm sorry. Not very good at names. Please
No,
pardon.
ma'am, Mehak.
Mehak. Okay, yes, Mehak. So please answer there. You should engage. Otherwise, how will I know? Then we have Aryan, right? आर्यन है ना वो, एक लड़का है नया, एक लड़का है नया, वो कौन है वो लड़का, कौन आर्यन चुगेरा. आंसर गाइस, कम ऑन. 160 स्टूडेंट्स में से 8 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मैं एक स्पेशल बैच ले रही हूँ. आई वांट यू टू एंगेज गाइस, रेसिप्रोकेट एटलीस्ट बाय एंगेजिंग. ओके. So my question is, if I have 6 into 10 raised to 23 particles of any substance, it means I have 1 mole. ठीक है? If I have 12 into 10 raised to 23 particles, how many moles I have? 12 into 10 raised to 23. मतलब double particles है तो 2 moles. If I have 18 into 10 raised to 23, how many moles I have? If I have 60 into 10 raised to 23, how many moles I have? 60 into 10 raised to 23. Thank you so much for replying. I really appreciate that. Yes, perfect. So how are we getting the number of particles, guys? We are taking, so what did we do? I'm just finding out how many moles it has, right? So when I had 6, how many moles I had? 6 into 10 raised to 23. How many I had? ऐसे वाला साइन कहाँ आता है? ऐसे वाला, हाँ. Okay, come on. 10 raised to 23. How many moles I have? Perfect. तो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ पता है क्या? अगर मेरे पास 60 है तो कितने हैं मेरे पास? If I have 60, how many moles? Thank you Aryan for replying बेटा. God bless you. या पलक, correct, 10. तो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? इसको किससे डिवाइड कर रही हूँ? ये नंबर को किससे डिवाइड कर रही हूँ? बताओ, किससे डिवाइड कर रही हूँ? Tell me. इस नंबर को या 6 into 10 raised to 23 से डिवाइड कर रही हूँ. वो 6 into 10 raised to 23 क्या है? What is it called? What is it called? Yes, that is, and we are representing it as n. And what is this? This is actually the given number of particles. Do you agree with me? N dash is a given number of particles. No problem, beta. N dash is a given number of particles, and n is the Avogadro's. And aren't we dividing them? Do you agree with me? Am I dividing that? Yes? So these are the two formulae we finally got. What are the two formulae? That number of moles can be small m upon capital M, and number of moles can be small n upon capital N. Got it? Sorry, m upon n and n dash upon n. Now the point you need to note is this thing in the denominator is the universal constant, right? And this in the denominator is also universal constant. So both these are universal constants. So the point you should know is that always in the denominator is the reference. Reference means something that is fundamental, that does not keep on changing. How many of you are doing profit and loss in school or have done profit and loss in school? This chapter in maths, yeah. So whenever you're doing profit and loss and you have to find percent profit and percent loss, what do? Percent profit, percent loss, you always put cost price in the denominator. So if you want to find percent loss, L upon CP into 100. If you want to find percent profit, yeah, P upon CP into... Why? Because CP is a fundamental thing that I'm putting in my business. Like suppose I'm selling mobiles. I bought a mobile for 10,000 rupees. That's my cost price. I can sell it for anything. That does not change, right? For that particular product. मगर इसका selling price change हो सकता है. I can add a cover, I can make it, I can put some softwares, or I can, give something else with this, maybe earphone or something, and it can change the price of selling price of this can be changed. Cost price cannot be changed. So cost price is fundamental. So मैं तुमको ये जो बता रही सिर्फ केमिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड नहीं है. जो भी फंडामेंटल चीज होती है वो जो चेंज नहीं होती है वो डिनोमिनेटर में होता है. तो आपको अगर ये पता होगा तो आपको कोई भी फॉर्मूले में ये समझ में आ जाएगा कि फंडामेंटल थिंग्स इन द डिनोमिनेटर, यू विल नेवर गेट कंफ्यूज कि डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आता है. ऊपर स्मॉल m है तो कैपिटल M होगा नीचे, बिकॉज दैट डज नॉट इज फंडामेंटल. ऊपर n dash है, इट कैन कीप चेंजिंग हाउ मेनी पार्टिकल्स, बट Avogadro's particles do not change. Did you get this formula, guys? Are you getting these two formulae? It's not a big deal for you to substitute in this once you know how to find. Okay, now how are you going to use the formulae? Thank you so much. How are you going to use the formulae? If they are asking you mass दिया है या मास पूछा है तो आप ये फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे. मोल्स एंड मास के बारे में क्वेश्चन होगा तो ये पूछना है. ओके, मोल्स एंड पार्टिकल्स के बारे में फॉर्मूला होगा तो ये यूज करना है. गेटिंग मी? ओके, नाउ देयर वर सम numericals. Okay, some of you shared some question paper. Can you just share that one more time so I can quickly take this here and I can share with you? Possible for you guys? Please send me on my
These questions are in my tip.
one more time. Can you send Nikita? पलक तुमने भी भेजा था ना मुझे?
Yes, ma'am.
पलक का भी देखती हूँ और निकिता तुम अपना भी भेजो.
Yes. Miss, based on mole and Avogadro's number.
Sorry?
Miss, sums based on mole and Avogadro's number.
Yes, correct. Yeah. तुमने भेजा?
Miss, I'm sending.
तो मैं पलक के जो क्वेश्चन है वो लेती हूँ यहाँ पे. हाँ, so you understanding when a number of moles वाले दो टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. If they give you okay, so if they give you number of moles and mass related question, use the first formula. If they ask or give or ask number of moles and give you number of particles related for this thing, then you can use the then you can use the other formula. Okay, now there is one way we can also correlate them. So let me just show you the numericals and then we will, again I'm just sharing the screen. Okay, look at this. Is it possible for you to look at this question? Yeah, just make this big.
This is the notes that I said.
Yeah, look here. Now I'm just giving you these examples. Pay attention. Now number of moles पूछा है. अगर number of moles पूछा है या number of moles दिया है, you will use the first formula. Okay, I'm not going to use what she has done. I'm going to use my formula. So we have been given 180 grams and we have been given water, right? So if it is water, I know the formula. The first thing what I did is I found the Yeah. So if I have been given water, first step is find out the molar weight. So molar weight is 18 grams. I found that. So I'm not going to see what she's doing. I'm just going to write my way of questioning, because then otherwise thoda tum log confuse ho jaye. So n is a question mark. We don't know n, right? Small m is given to me. Small m is a given mass. What is small m? 180 grams, right? What is asked? Number of moles, correct? और small capital M भी दिया है. जैसे ही वो लोग ने mention किया water, indirectly they gave you capital M and you found the capital M is 18 grams. Now looking at it, इसकी खास बात क्या है? ये सारे questions जो है ना, निकिता, पलक, ईशा, आर्यन, इसका खास बात क्या है? ऐसे वाले जो क्वेश्चंस है ना, वो ओरली कर सकते हो. देखो देख के ही पता चले 10 मोल्स हैं, isn't it? Yeah, just looking at it, it is 10 moles. How do you find the formula? You use the formula. Sorry, n is equal to, what is n is equal to? What's the formula? Can anybody say that?
Small m upon
Thank you,
capital M.
Palak. Thank you,
Capital
Palak. Yeah. So small m is how much, beta? 18. No, small m is 180.
180.
Yeah. Small m is 180. Capital M is 18. So if you divide, you get the answer as 10. Now this is a mistake, bacha. No problem. Don't feel bad. But it is a number of moles, so it will not have any unit. It's number, right? So it will be the answer will be only 10. Guys, are you getting this? Okay. Now let us look at the second question. Find the mass of 6 moles of sodium hydroxide. Find the mass means क्या find करना है आप बताओ. Please unmute करो because I'm not able to see the chat right now because I'm into the teaching mode. Find the mass means are they, of course they're asking you m, but is it small m or capital M? Anybody?
Ma'am, small
Ma'am.
m.
Of course small m, because capital M is given from the formula. So small m is to be found, right? Capital M is sodium hydroxide hai. You can calculate, but you should remember, you can do that. For this atomic weight will be given to her. She's done here. NaOH is the correct formula. Substituted the value, you get 40. Now again, Palak, darling, is a mistake here. Once you write molar mass, you have to put a G. Okay, bacha? So here capital
Okay, ma'am.
M is 40 G, because capital M is molar mass. It's not molecular mass. Molecule का mass में G नहीं लिखते, मगर molar mass में हम G लिखते हैं. ठीक है ना? वो होने के बाद में how will you find, and what else is given to you? What is this 6 moles?
Moles.
What is that? What is that? Small n. Small n is 6. Correct? What is the formula? You're going to use the same formula here. This one. This formula you're going to use. So you'll write down 6 equals to small m I do not know. I know capital M is 40. Then what do I do? Palak? I will cross multiply. I'll take the 40 up and multiply with 6. Answer is how much? Answer is what?
240.
Yes, it is 240 what?
I'm
240 grams.
240, yes, 240 grams. Very important.
gram.
240 grams is important. Okay, so let me share one more thing. Okay, so you're getting this, how to do the formula? I'm going to come to another important part of, just a minute. Okay, और एक page है क्या, Palak? Is there one more page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One second. ये हमने किया, okay. ये वाला करना है. ठीक है, allow me to share the page. Okay, fine. So this one we are going to do now. Okay, can you see this, guys? Right? Wonderful. Now she's just written this. There is a formula here, equation. I mean, there's a question here. Okay.
Ma'am.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, I sent you one more from my textbook.
हाँ वो मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है, मैं देखती हूँ पलक. हाँ yeah, okay. All right, so just going to share. Okay, coming. I love technology here. And Amir is going to get us eco-friendly technology. I'm like so excited already. Yeah, yes, Amir? Okay. So, guys, here we are. Let's do this. Abhi, absolutely no. Now, earlier Palak had solved the question. Now, these are not solved. So, let's see how do we do this. Okay. So, calculate the number of particles. यहाँ पे क्या पूछा है? Number of particles मतलब? What are they asked? मतलब I'm asking you which symbol? N, capital N, small n, N dash, N, M, whatever.
N.
N dash.
Yes, they are asking you capital N dash. Correct. Right, Ameya? Ameya, Aryan, whoever it is. और मंगेश भी है क्या यहाँ पे? N dash पूछा है. So N dash is a question mark. Correct. बच्चा. So N dash is a question mark. Annotate. Undo. Clear. 1 second. Clear all drawings. Yeah. So coming back to this, they have asked us what is the capital N dash. What is given to us? Come on, tell me what is given. Very good question, Palak. Thank you so much for bringing that. Now see, Nikita ईशा, जो भी लोग महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड में पढ़ रहे हैं, we are not learning this because you should be able to get good marks. We are learning this because you should get great strong foundation on these. Okay, so n dash is a question mark. Now what is given to you? पहले तो 46 ग्राम दिया. What is 46 ग्राम? ये सॉल्व करना है, क्वेश्चन लिखो और उसका आंसर भी लिखो. 46 ग्राम. Please go on mute. Whoever is some background work going on there. 46 gram is what बच्चा? Is the given mass, है ना? And once this sodium बोला ना, sodium मतलब what is the formula for sodium? Formula for sodium is sodium only. So the molar weight is the atomic weight of sodium, which is 23 grams. समझ में आ रहा है मैंने 23 grams क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि सोडियम बोला है, सोडियम क्लोराइड, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, सोडियम नाइट्रेट ऐसे नहीं बोला, सिर्फ सोडियम. सिर्फ सोडियम का फॉर्मूला क्या है? सिर्फ सोडियम. और उसका मोलार वेट क्या होगा? सिर्फ सोडियम का एटॉमिक वेट. And it is 23 grams. How do I know? I know. For you, it will be given to you. You don't have to memorize. ठीक है ना? So, this is asked, this is given, this also is indirectly given, guys. 23 gram is also given to you indirectly. Now, we also have one value, okay, which we know is already always given to us is Avogadro's number. Now, Palak, in your book, what is the value of Avogadro's number, beta?
6.022.
Okay, 6.022. Okay, into, sorry, I'm taking some time, guys. Have patience with me. Sorry. I am sure I'll become better at that. 10 raised to 23. I was, in between, sometime back, I was in an international training by a very good trainer called as Russell Brunson. And one of his coordinator were writing, and I said, like, "Aisa kya likh raha hai yaar? What is this? He can't write a word fast." And then I realized, so crazy to write like this. He was also doing a Zoom session. So I sure ऐसे आप लोगों को भी लगता होगा. Anyways, now coming to the magic. Are you ready for magic? I'm going to do something very, very wonderful. You're going to love this. Are you guys ready for magic? Put BIO. Put BIO, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. So wonderful. So मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ ना, मैं अभी आपको बताने वाली हूँ, दो फॉर्मूले को हम ज्वाइन करेंगे. Okay, so what are the two formulae we did earlier, guys? What are the two formulae we did? Small n equals to small m. अब मैं यहाँ पे वो ऊपर वाला साइन नहीं डालती हूँ, ऐसा डालती हूँ, कैपिटल M, right? I also know that small n equals to n dash upon n. Agreed? Agreed,
Yes,
guys?
ma'am.
Yes. अब हम क्या करेंगे? अभी ये दोनों फॉर्मूले को ये करेंगे. And small n is this also, small n is this also. So can I say that small m upon capital M equals to n dash upon n? Yes? Yes or yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely. Thank you, Palak. Palak अकेले जागी है, सब सो गए हैं. So this is the new formula I'm talking about, which is very, very important, and we are going to use that here. How are we going to use it? We are going to use that to exactly solve this. So come on, right? Let's substitute here, guys, in this formula only. So what is small m given to us? 46.
46 upon 23.
Very good, Mabbe. Thank you so much. Equals to?
N dash upon.
Very good. I don't know what is n dash.
Upon Avogadro's number.
Very good.
N dash
Avogadro's
upon
number.
Avogadro's.
I am writing. Okay, Avogadro's number is 6.0. कौन है वहाँ पे? मानसी. Okay. I can't see. 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. ठीक है, अभी सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे इसको बताओ. अभी मैं यहाँ पे सॉल्व करती हूँ, लिख के सॉल्व करती हूँ. हाँ
Miss, we will cross multiply.
हाँ. So what we'll do is, no, I'll show you ना. अरे यार क्या हो रहा है? हाँ, so I'll show you ना. 46. ये तुम लोग को भी ये सब करना है, क्वेश्चन भी लिखना है भाई लोग. प्लीज राइट द क्वेश्चन एज वेल. हाँ, 46 upon 23 equals to, see there are many easy ways of doing this also, हाँ, तो ऐसा नहीं है, मैं भी आपको फॉर्मूला से दिखा रही हूँ क्योंकि beginning में it's always better you use the formula like profit and loss and all these percentage problems. Later on we get nice hacks of doing it, but in the beginning we always use the formula, हाँ. So 6.0, this is crazy यार. हाथ दुखने को आता है, हाथ, गर्दन, आंखें सब दुखने आती है लिखने तक. You can't imagine this finger now, it's like crazily hurts, yeah, to write this. Okay. Yeah. So what we do is ones are, okay, and twos are. Then we take this number, multiply in the numerator. Oh God, sorry. So what we do is, I take this number and, my God, bear with me, and multiply with the 2. So what do I get? 2 into, oh God, I hate this. 6 point whatever equals to n dash. So what's my answer going to be? Just multiply 2 by 6.022. So answer will be
12.022
12.044
Yeah.
into 10 raised to
into
Wow, Aryan, is that you? Aryan जागा झाला. Aryan, आप जागे हो गए ना? Very good. Nice. 12.0. You like maths, Aryan? Looks like you like numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
I love numbers. I also like get crazy if I have to do numericals. I was like, I'll start saying things and start showing that I am so fast. I do that with my daughter. So she almost calls me as Shakuntala Devi because I love doing number multiplication. You know what? I want to share this one crazy thing that I do. Okay, before that, I'll just show you. This is the answer. Okay, and there is no unit to this because the number of particles in 46 gram of sodium atom is 12 into 044 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of atoms of sodium. Atoms. Got this, guys? और देखो भी देख के भी पता चलता है. अगर 23 ग्राम्स में 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 तो 46 ग्राम में डबल होगा. ठीक है ना? Yeah, guys, are you writing this down? So I told you I want to share something very weird about me. You know what I do? I didn't even realize this until long time of my life. So I'm like 44 now. And I think until 34, 35, I didn't know I do this. But I have this habit of adding numbers, adding and multiplying and adding and multiplying. So I'm traveling also. I will keep adding the number of the number plate. You know, I am fascinated by the number 9. So, you know, by unconsciously I'm just adding and checking a number 9 है क्या इसमें क्या डालूंगे तो number 9 होगा 27 है तो number 9 है 26 है तो 1 है 39 है तो you know I keep on doing this all the time and I think that's the reason you know you also sharpen your brain. So not difficult calculations but I'm just adding, subtracting, adding, multiplying and dividing and something I keep on doing. So that's something weird I discovered about myself. Okay, let's do the next sum. If you're done, let's go ahead. Done, guys? Let's do the next sum.
Yes.
निकिता आपने भी मुझे कुछ भेजे हैं ना अभी?
Yes, miss.
Right now? Okay, I'll see that. Okay, let's do this quickly now. ये एक सम करते हैं उसके बाद में ना अभी यहाँ पे फिर यही सम है यही क्वेश्चन है. So we have n dash is to be found because the question is same. Small m is going to be how much? In this case, it will be 8 grams, right? है ना? Right, Nikita? Oh God, sorry.
Yes, miss.
हाँ यहाँ पे स्मॉल m is 8 grams. हाँ अभी कैपिटल m क्या है एक बड़ा क्वेश्चन है. Wait a minute. आर्यन चल मेरा पार्टनर बन जा मुझे बता यहाँ
Yes,
पे
ma'am.
क्या
32.
Awesome. Wonderful. क्योंकि O2 है ना तो स्मॉल कैपिटल m is a मोलार वेट. तो मोलार वेट कैसे करते हैं मॉलिक्यूलर वेट लेते तो ऑक्सीजन इज O2, 1 oxygen is 16, 2 oxygen is 32. So what we do is capital M is 32 grams. Cool. चलो अभी तुम लोग करो चलो मुझे बताओ. वाह कितना मस्त है ना मुझे वो 6.022 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं अभी फिर से. I'm so happy. So I will combine the two formula here as I showed you. N is equal to n dash upon n. N is equal to m dash. Okay मेरा फोटो आया है. हाँ. N is equal to m upon n. N dash upon n. And if you that is
ma'am is the answer 24.088 into 10 raised to 23 or
हाँ of course 4 बार होगा ना. I'm just erasing this. इसको इरेज कर सकते हैं क्या? ओह शिट, सब इरेज हो गया, क्या करूँ अभी? कमांड जेड, वो इसको मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कैसे इरेज करने का. Just ignore that 46/23 in the text box. I'm not able to reach the text box. So let me just do this. Aha, I don't have to. So very nice. I love this. Okay, so let me do this, guys. So यहाँ पे क्या करना है मुझे? यहाँ पे तो इसको तो प्लीज कैंसिल कर दो. I'm smart. I'm so smart. Okay, small m is how much? 8. ये आई एम स्मार्ट मैं बोलती हूँ ना, ये क्यों बोलती हूँ पता है? इट इज अफर्मेशन एंड पीपल गेट सो ऑफेंडेड. खुद को समझते क्या है आई एम स्मार्ट? अरे इट्स एन अफर्मेशन, राइट निकिता? है ना? आई एम स्मार्ट, आई एम ऑसम, ये बोलते रहने
Yes,
का. और मेरे फ्रेंड्स लोगों को कितना गुस्सा आता है ना, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट माई स्टूडेंट्स ना. आप समझ सकते हो. तो आर्यन, हम लोग का एक ऐसा आदत है, वी से अफर्मेशंस लाइक एवरी डे एवरी वे आई एम बिकमिंग बेटर, आई एम इंटेलिजेंट, आई एम सुपर्ब, आई एम ब्लेस्ड, I'm privileged, I'm on whatever. तो वैसे मैं बोलती होती I'm so smart, I'm so cool. So it's an affirmation. They feel offended. They think they are not smart. Anyway, so in cancer what happens? हाँ ध्यान दो, हाँ यहाँ पे थोड़ा उल्टा है. वहाँ पे ऊपर बड़ा नंबर था, यहाँ पे given mass is only 8 grams. So what I'll do is, अमेया समझा, गुगली हो गई तेरी. तो ये 4 डिनोमिनेटर में है बेटा, समझा? तो अब क्या होने वाला है देखो. So it's going to be something else बच्चा. So what you're going to do is, on the other side numerator is 1. Can you see up here on the left? This one, हाँ, numerator is 1 and denominator is 4. तो अब क्या करेंगे हम लोग को? ये नंबर उधर लेके जाना ना ऊपर. So what will it become अच्छा? So it will be 6. Can I copy this man? You understood ना? 6 लिख देती हूँ. चलो एक बार क्या है, इतना भी नहीं करने का. 6.022 in 2, finger start hurting, 10 raised to 23 upon 4, 1/4. Look, Ameya, it is 1/4 of the mole. 8 is 1/4 of 32. So 1/4 of this will be how much? It will be divided. It will be 1.0 something something. इरेज क्यों नहीं हो रहा भाई? अच्छा, okay, so what will it be? Tell me. So 4 ones are right, so it's going to be 1.5. This much is 1.5. 1.5.044. क्या आंसर है? 1.5. But if you divide it, you'll get this. Are you copying it? Are you doing by yourself? Do it till 4 decimal places. That is the answer. So number of particles are going to be 1/4 of the Avogadro's number of particles. Are you getting this, guys? Palak, Isha, जो भी बच्चे कुचे हैं यहाँ पे, सब लोग शायद चले गए. Are you guys
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Okay. All right, all right.
Yes.
Let's do one by one. Are you enjoying this, Ameya? Are you understanding it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. चलो ये लिखो, फिर बाद में मैं नया शेयर करूंगी. क्या हुआ? Hello? You guys there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can we do it the other way?
Which other way?
Ma'am, like we count, we get the moles by
You
the
can do it. Of
formula.
course you can do it. वही मैं बता रही हूँ ना, you can do it in many easy ways. But this is just to explain you. बराबर बोल रही हूँ. Yeah. So you can first find the number of moles and then multiply. That's also possible. Okay? मगर क्या होता है ना कि जब बहुत सारी चीजें आती है तो ये putting it together is also okay. So I am not saying that you have to use the way I am teaching you, but I am just telling you that if you don't understand what is happening in school, then use my way. समझा?
Okay, ma'am.
But you can definitely use what the school is doing. Am I sharing the screen right now? Can you see this? Use your brain power. Is this the screen that is shared to you guys? I don't know what is shared.
Ma'am, we are on the same screen.
क्या हुआ?
Yes, ma'am. We are on the same screen.
How many molecules? Use your brain power. How many molecules of water? वो नहीं है क्या?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We are not on this.
Okay.
No,
Link
ma'am.
there.
1 minute. Okay, is that good now? Okay. So, how many molecules of water are there in 36 grams of water? How many molecules मतलब क्या पूछा है बताओ मुझे जल्दी से. क्या पूछा है? n dash. How many molecules मतलब n dash पूछा है.
Particles.
Yeah, हाँ, n
Particles.
dash पूछा है. Now this is small m. Same formula guys. Do it now by yourself. Come on. Small m. Water है तो आर्यन कैपिटल M क्या होगा water के लिए बेटा? Water के लिए कैपिटल M क्या होगा? Anybody else?
18.
Yes, very good. 18 grams.
18
grams. Oh, capital M is in grams. So you have small m, you have capital M, and then यहाँ पे देख के ही पता चल रहा है बच्चे लोग ये 36 है और capital M is 18. So how many moles it has? How many moles?
2.
Very good.
2.
हाँ तो final answer बता दो अभी क्या है final answer?
12.
12
12 point.
12 is 12.04.10 easy ना? मैं तुमको बताऊँ
Yes, ma'am.
सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स बहुत इजी होते हैं ये वाले मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट डिफिकल्ट है बट कैलकुलेशंस बहुत इजी होती है बराबर है 12.044 into 10⁻23 बट ध्यान रखना मैं प्रीवियस सम में कैसे हुआ था तुमने गलती से 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था वो 4 से डिवाइड करना था बिकॉज द गिवन मास वाज लेस देन द मोलार मास यहाँ पे द गिवन मास इज डबल ऑफ द मोलार मास लेट्स डू दिस तो मैं भी ना तुम लोग वही फॉर्मूला करके यूज करना भी सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड का मोलार मास इज 98 ग्राम हाउ डू आई नो बिकॉज मैं कर करके मुझे पता है जस्ट डू इट नाउ कम ऑन एंड चेक योर आंसर इफ इट इज 98 ग्राम सो हाइड्रोजन इज 1 सल्फर इज 32 ऑक्सीजन इज 16 एटॉमिक वेट्स बता रही हूँ फाइंड आउट द मोलार वेट हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक वेट इज 1 आई एम नॉट राइटिंग ग्राम्स बिकॉज इट्स एटॉमिक वेट ओके then when you calculate and you put grams is molar weight so sulfur is 32 and oxygen is 16 come on calculate and see if your answer is 98 and do this sum
Miss, answer is 2. N is equal to 2.
correct no n is not 2 sorry how n will be 2 बेटा अगर उसका मोलार वेट 98 है और हमारे पास मोलार वेट से कम समान है कम है तो कितना होगा half it's not into 2 it is half it is 40
And 0.5.
yes half समझा निकिता क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर में 49 है डिनोमिनेटर में 98 है 49 upon 98 will be 1/2 just like that 8 grams वाला क्वेश्चन कम ऑन सॉल्व करो इसको फटाफट मैं एक बार पानी पी के आती हूँ Guys, I'm back.
Yes, ma'am, I got.
Done. तो इसका हाफ होगा मतलब 6.022 का हाफ इज 3.011 इसका आंसर और पता है आईसीएससी में कोई है क्या इधर आई थिंक मैं इज इन आईसीएससी और कोई है
Yes, ma'am.
एंड दैट आर्यन ना आर्यन इज आल्सो इन आईसीएससी राइट
No, ma'am, SSC.
एसएससी तो आर्यन हमें तुम्हारा कौन सा दोस्त है इधर वही ना
Yes.
आर्यन इज योर दोस्त बट नॉट फ्रॉम योर स्कूल
Yes, ma'am. He's in Vincent.
ओके सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज आईसीएससी में ना 10th स्टैंडर्ड में बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स है लेकिन 50-100 जैसे अभी सीबीएसई में कितने हैं 9th में है ना बट आईसीएसई में 10th में ये टॉपिक है बाय द नेम ऑफ स्टोइशियोमेट्री उसके भी न्यूमेरिकल्स इतने सारे हैं मगर कैलकुलेशंस बहुत ही आसान है एंड आई एम श्योर मैं यू विल गेट दिस वेरी इजीली दिस इज ऑल दैट इज okay let me do the next one I hope this is done guys shall I change this thing let me import that page next page are you enjoying guys I'm really having fun I'm really having that intellectual fun what about you guys आधे लोग तो चले गए यहाँ से that's okay man what can you see okay stop share again where's the I'm simply enjoying myself. So crazy. Guys, chalo. Let's do this question. This one. 0.2 mole. We need 0.2 mole of the following substances are required. How many grams of those substances should be taken? So diya kya apne ko? What is given to us? Can anybody please speak out? 0.2 means what? 0.2 means what is given to us?
The given.
Ma'am, moles are given.
Yeah, number of moles is 2.2. Bas, that's it given to you. Right, Nikita?
Yes.
0.2 moles दिया हुआ है. वो कोई formula उसका ये नहीं है. There is no unit to that. Okay. Now you have to find how many grams. Means what is asked? How many
Small
grams?
m.
तो क्या पूछा है इधर? Yes, correct, Ameya. What is asked? Nikita? Small m, right?
Small m.
Small m is a question mark. Correct. So what is the formula? Okay, then they are giving you some substances. जैसे ये एक example है. तो इसका अपने को स्मॉल एम फाइंड करने का है, फिर इसका फाइंड करने का है और इसका फाइंड करने का है. ओके, तो इसका स्मॉल एम मतलब ये तीन अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस उन्होंने एक में डाल दिया है. समझ में आया? तो इसका जैसे ही नाम दिया ना, अपने को कैपिटल एम आना चाहिए. हाउ डू यू फाइंड कैपिटल एम? फर्स्ट राइट द करेक्ट फॉर्मूला एंड देन सब्स्टिट्यूट. So for this the correct formula is what? What is the correct formula?
NaCl.
करो, चलो करो, मेरे को लिखने को करो, ये होता है, हाथ दुखते हैं with using with that pen. So write down NaCl and its final answer is 58.5 grams because Na is 23 and chlorine is 35.5. Chlorine is 35.5 and sodium is 23. Aryan, you have any students from your school also in our group?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a link where you can put that in your group, and they can also join in the next class. Okay. All right. So this is what is capital M. Now, which is the formula which includes all three? First formula. है ना? So what's the formula? Small n is equal to small m upon
Capital M.
capital M. है ना? तो डालो यहाँ पे. So 0.2. Come on, do it now. 0.2 equals to small m upon capital M. That is small m upon 58.5. So it will be 11. It's going to be 116, 170. Okay, so 11.7 grams. Is that the answer? Shakuntala Devi.
Yes,
I call
ma'am.
myself as Shakuntala Devi. I don't stand anywhere around her, but some part of Shakuntala Devi. 11.7 grams. Yeah. So how do I do it? I'll tell you. I'll take 0.1 of this. 0.1 is 5.85 and double of it is 11.7. So I'll do that way. Okay, next one, guys. Magnesium oxide. Now magnesium oxide का भी वही same करना है. चलो फटाफट करो. N is 0.2. Small m is a question mark. Capital M is this. हुआ क्या? Shall we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So what is magnesium oxide का formula? Magnesium is 24 and oxygen is 16. MgO. Formula for magnesium oxide is MgO. So the capital M is going to 24 plus 16, that is 40 grams.
40.
Yeah. 40 grams. And then use the formula. So 0.2 of 40 is how much? 8 grams?
8.
Yep. Please do that. Please put it in the formula, guys. So ऐसे होगा 0.2 is equal to small m upon 40. And then we multiply them. You take the 40 up in the numerator and multiply it like this. So it will be 0.2 into 40. Calcium carbonate. I always remember this is 100. Formula is CaCO3. Come on, do it. Let's see if I'm right. Calcium carbonate is 100. Not that I calculated, but I know it. I remember it's a special number. So calcium carbonate formula
Yes,
is
ma'am.
CaCO3. Calcium is 40. Carbon is 12. Oxygen 16. I repeat. Ca is 40. Calcium is 40. Calcium atomic weight is 40. Carbon atomic weight is 12. and oxygen atomic weight is 16. Put it in the formula of CaCO3. Mehak, you're there or are you awake?
Miss, answer is 20.
Yeah, final answer is 20. Perfect. So you put 100, so 0.2 of 100 is 20. Mehak, are you there? Mehak and Mansi, आपसे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा मुझे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss, we are there.
Okay, चलो good. मुझे लगा मैंने तुमको सुला दिया क्या? Okay, guys.
No, ma'am.
Oh, good. Fine then. So we're done with this. We are left with one more page and then we'll end the meeting. Okay.
Yes, miss.
और नहीं हमने ये कर दिया है बेटा. वो दूसरा भी अपने जो भेजा है ना, which law of combination. Okay, yeah. I'll just share this. And then we can just discuss this. It will be nice questions. Nice questions, Nikita. I like them. I know Maharashtra board has come up with very good curriculum. I'm really liking it. और दूसरी बात मुझे सच्ची में आपके स्कूल के बारे में बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. Your school is doing a great job. I can see all of you, Fariha, I'm really having a lot of regards for the students of this school. I'm sure your teachers are doing a very good job, man.
Yes, miss. Thank you, miss.
I really appreciate. ऐसा क्या हो रहा है? वो इरेजर ही नहीं जा रहा है, man. Let me just take the eraser off. Go eraser. Okay, close it. Oh my. Okay, let me stop the share. हाँ. ठीक है. Go here. One last page now. I really love this technology, man. Okay, cool. Last question. Yeah. So, देखो. Is this the question, Nikita? The 7th one?
Yes, miss.
Reduce the number of molecules. So, क्या find करने का अपने को? Number of molecules. अभी orally करने का कोशिश करेंगे आप ना. Number of molecules मतलब क्या find करने का है? कौन सा letter? N, capital N, small n,
N dash.
Very good, awesome. N dash find करने का अपने को दिया है 32 ग्राम of oxygen. मतलब क्या दिया है अपने को?
Small m.
Very good, small m दिया हुआ है. और ऑक्सीजन बोला ना, ऑक्सीजन मतलब फ्री ऑक्सीजन इज O2. ऑक्सीजन मतलब O2. ऑक्सीजन एटम बोले बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन नेचर में O2 रहता है. When I say oxygen, you cannot say O. I say oxygen in the air, oxygen in water, oxygen dissolved in this, oxygen means O2. So the molecular formula is O2. So the molecular weight is going to be 32 grams, as Aryan said some time back. 32 grams. Okay. So small m भी 32 है और capital M भी 32 है. समझ में आया? Small m भी 32 और capital M भी 32. मतलब number of moles कितने हुए?
6.022 into 10
One
to
होगा.
the
One
power
नहीं
20.
number of moles. Number of moles.
One.
One mole
Oh,
होगा.
one.
वो अपन लिखते हैं लेफ्ट में m upon m and n dash upon n. तो वो 1 हो गया कैंसिल करके. So one mole में कितने molecules होते हैं? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. तो इसका आंसर है 6.022 into 10 raised to 20. You can put it in the formula and solve it. Nikita, I hope that is okay, na?
Yes.
I'm just showing you how easy it is for you to calculate. Now let us look at 90 grams of water. Now you know this is small m and capital M will be 18, correct? So small m upon capital M is going to be 5. How many moles you have in 90 grams? 5 moles. Right? And number of molecules कितने होंगे? 5 into Avogadro's number, that is 30.022 into 10 raised to 23. And if you want to do in the standard form, it will become 3.022 into 10 raised to 24. But I'm not getting into that. So it will be 30.022 into 10 raised to 23. Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
कितने moles into
Can you
Avogadro's
explain
number?
it again?
I'll
ये
say
वाला
it
90
again. I'll say it again. बेटा 90 grams जो है ना 90 upon 18 होगा because 90 is a small m, right? And 18 is the big M for water. So if you cancel how much will you get? You will get 5 because 18 5 is 90. So you will take that 6.022 which is down up and multiply, so it will be 5 into 6.022. So it will be 30 into 0, 30.0. Okay, okay, 6.022 into 30, whatever is your answer, into 10 raised to 23. You getting it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let's go ahead now and do the next question. 8.88. Now carbon dioxide, I'm telling you right now, carbon dioxide ka agar aap substitute karoge, it is 44 grams. The small m is how much? 44 grams. So we want, what do we want? We want 8.8, which is small m, and capital M is 44. So if you divide, what do you get the answer as? 0.2 in the numerator, because 44. So you will do basically 44 ones are and 44 0.2s are 0.2 times. Okay, that you can do via math calculation. So 0.2 into 3 into 6.02 into 10 raised to 23, whatever you get. So it will be 1.044 into 10 raised to 23. Clear?
Yes.
अभी ये देखो,
Yes, ma'am.
अभी देखो, मैं थोड़ा फास्ट कर रही हूँ because अभी now you know. Now 71, 7.1 is small m, capital M for chlorine is 35.5. नहीं, 35.5 नहीं होगा, sorry. Chlorine is 35. मैंने से chloride is Cl2. Okay, because formula of chlorine is Cl2. It is never single chlorine unless they say chlorine atom. So if they say chlorine is 35.5 into 2 is 71. So I have 7.1 and I have 71. If I cancel, what do I get? Upar 0.1. Right? So 6.022
Yes,
into
ma'am.
0.1 is 0.6022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. Okay. Now look. Molecules. Now look, actually ना इसको ना थोड़ा अलग फॉर्म में लिखने का एक अलग स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है, फिजिक्स के लिए एक अलग स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है उसको वो अभी मैं नहीं सिखाऊंगी because then you know you'll get, it's a physics thing. So even if you write actually 0.6022 into 10 raised to 23 is wrong. It should be writing 6.02 into 10 raised to 22. I repeat, 0.6022 into 10 raised to 23 is a wrong way of writing physics number in the standard form. It should be written as 6.022 into 10 raised to 22. But अभी कोई टेंशन नहीं है, आप ऐसे लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. Just multiply 0.1 by 6.022 and get the answer. ठीक है? So ये नीचे का तो हमने अब भी किया ना, 0.2 moles of everything. All right, cool. So did you get this, guys? Is it good enough? I hope I was able to help you guys in understanding more. Again, I'm telling you, I'm like really, it's a cheating, but I am not really concerned about marks. You know, when I was running my coaching class also, I am taking heavy fees because I was running my coaching class in an elite area in Mumbai, which is called as Juhu. Fees also would be exorbitant. Like for 1 year, I would take 1 lakh fees. You know, it was like this. I was doing maths, physics, chemistry, bio. But that fees, you know, and that is not because I was taking, this was the fees in that area. Like that exorbitant was the fees. And I'm sure the same thing is in Pune also. So I was in one of those elite classes and, you know, of course you're expected to get marks. But I'm the person who is not convinced by this. I always feel that if you are able to argue about a topic, if you are going to discuss about it, if you're going to put your point forward about certain topic, then the learning has happened. Like, you know, इसके हाई लेवल के क्वेश्चन के बारे में आप सोचने की हिम्मत भी करोगे तो भी मेरे लिए है कि मैंने अपना, you know, I have accomplished what I want to accomplish. So like Amaya has done this for the first time, and Amaya is at least able to willing to read about it now is also an accomplishment for me. Oh, I have done a good job. It's not about the marks. So Nikita, Palak, you know, Mehak, all of you, Aryan, Mansi, you guys are here. If you feel nice about the topic, I have accomplished something. You understand? It's not about how many marks. It's about that point half mark gaya or 0.001 percentage come away. No, I'm not interested in that. So tomorrow, if you're going to do research, you're not afraid of like numericals. I can do it. I know. I will figure it out. Yes, guys. So I really want you to tell me, how did you find the class? Anything that worked, anything that did not work, anything that you want me to improve? Do let me know. Hello. We're done actually for the class. So we can just, I know I've taken some time. Your exams are going on. So thank you so much for being with me. Yeah. And I'll meet you on Sunday class. Yes, absolutely. Very good. So I'm going to give you the recording to all of you, and this time I'm going to put it on the group. Okay, because some people don't ask. Mangesh तो कभी भी नहीं पूछता है. Mangesh आता है जाता है. So I'm going to put it on the group today, so that whoever wants can see. Yeah, I mean especially only you people or the 9th standards can see, right? Okay. Thank you so much, and see you soon on Sunday class. Bye bye. And Aryan, please, I'm going to give you the link in the group. Give it to your friends and ask them to join this particular chemistry class group. Bye bye. Thank you.